Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z TriFold is shaping up to be one of the most fascinating foldable devices ever made. New patent filings have revealed exciting details about its design, internal layout, and battery system. If these reports are accurate, this device could completely redefine what a foldable phone can be. Recently, a patent application published by Kipper showcased what might be the final design of the Galaxy Z TriFold. The design shows a device that looks somewhat like a stretched-out Galaxy Z Fold 7, but with a far more advanced and complex internal structure. Unlike Samsung's earlier foldables, this phone folds not once, but twice, creating three distinct segments connected by two hinges. The most interesting part of the patent is the battery setup. Instead of the usual single or dual battery design seen in regular foldable phones, the Galaxy Z TriFold reportedly comes with three separate batteries, one in each segment of the device. These batteries vary in size depending on their position. The smallest one is located in the section that houses the camera module, while the middle segment, which carries the cover screen, includes a slightly larger battery. The largest battery sits in the third segment, which becomes sandwiched between the other two parts when the phone is folded. Although the patent drawings give a clear look at this innovative structure, they do not reveal the exact battery capacities or charging speeds. However, other leaks suggest that Samsung might use silicon carbon battery technology in the TriFold. This type of battery is more compact and efficient than traditional lithium-ion cells, although it may not necessarily increase total capacity. Reports indicate that Samsung's TriFoldable could have a smaller battery capacity compared to the Huawei Mate XT, the world's first TriFold phone, which packs a 5,600 mAh cell. Samsung's model might also support only 25-watt wired charging, falling behind Huawei's 66-watt wired and 50-watt wireless speeds. Even so, the triple battery design could help balance power distribution across the large structure and ensure smoother energy management. Speaking of size, the Galaxy Z TriFold is rumored to feature a massive foldable Dynamic AMOLED TX display that measures around 10 inches when fully unfolded. This makes it more like a compact tablet than a phone, offering a much larger screen area than the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The aspect ratio is expected to be wider too, which would make the unfolded device perfect for multitasking, watching videos, and using productivity tools. In terms of hardware, leaks point towards some impressive specifications. The Galaxy Z TriFold may run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Qualcomm's most powerful processor yet. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, the camera system could include a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera offering up to 5x optical zoom. This setup would make the TriFold not only an engineering marvel, but also a photography powerhouse. While these details sound promising, Samsung has remained quiet about an official release date. However, several sources hint that the Galaxy Z TriFold could be unveiled at the end of October. If true, it would mark Samsung's first-ever tri-folding smartphone launch. That said, its availability may initially be limited to a few markets, possibly South Korea and China. Similar to how Samsung handled the Galaxy Z Fold, say earlier this year, the TriFold's limited release would make sense, as this device seems to be more of an experimental product aimed at early adopters and tech enthusiasts. Much like the original Galaxy Z Fold when it launched, the TriFold could serve as a testing ground for Samsung to refine its tri-folding technology before bringing it to the global market. Beyond hardware, Samsung's decision to create a TriFold device appears to be part of its broader strategy to stay ahead in the foldable race. As competition with Huawei, Xiaomi, and other brands intensifies, Samsung is under pressure to show innovation that keeps it at the top of the premium smartphone market. A functional and reliable TriFold phone would certainly achieve that. In short, the Galaxy Z TriFold represents a bold step forward for Samsung. With 3 screens, 3 batteries, and a completely new design approach, it's set to offer a tablet-sized experience in a smartphone body. While details about its battery capacity, charging speed, and market availability remain uncertain, one thing is clear: Samsung is preparing to redefine foldable technology once again. As the rumored October unveiling draws closer, more leaks and official teasers are expected to appear. Whether the Galaxy Z TriFold lives up to its ambitious design will soon be seen, but one thing is certain: this device could mark the beginning of a whole new chapter in the evolution of foldable smartphone.